Alrighty guys, so today we're gonna ceramic coat. Well, we're gonna try to ceramic coat my daughter's vehicle. We already washed it. We have to do the clay bar, and after the clay bar, we're gonna buff it, and then we're gonna use this paint prep so this ceramic coating can actually grab onto it. So guys, follow along. We don't know how it's gonna turn out. This is our first time using any ceramic coating product, so let's see what happens. Hopefully it comes out super shiny and I keep doing the rest of our vehicles. If not, I'm sorry, mama. I hope it looks good. Okay guys, so the first step we're gonna do after we cleaned it, we dried it, we're gonna use this Griot's synthetic clay. It's this little thing here. It actually says you can clean up to 24 cars with it. And the lube we're gonna use is this Best Show detailer, so we can rub it around the whole vehicle. What this does, it takes out fallouts, overspray, soap mist, debris and everything stuck on the clear coat before you actually buff it, so you don't buff all that stuff inside the clear coat deeper than it is. So guys, here we go. I will let you know what the next step is. Alrighty guys, so we just finished the clay bar process. Now the next process is buffing. We're gonna go ahead and always use your polishing pad conditioner. So like that, it keeps this nice and moist, ready to use. And our other product that we're gonna use that we like a lot, the Griot's Best Show Wax, or Best of Show Wax. So this is gonna be the buffing process. Then after this, we have to prep the paint for the ceramic coating. So guys, we are almost there. Let's get to it. Okay guys, so here we go. 20H graphene ceramic coating. We already have it set. We have a whole bunch of these little white things. It does say to use gloves because this thing will irritate your hands. So let's roll. Alright, so I know I did that other spot. Let's do the hood.
Why don't you just finish this piece?
Okay. Yeah.
Because then you're gonna forget. That's the ceramic coat?
This is it. And that's it. Feels super soft.
It just sucks it in that fast?
Mm-hmm. Now let's do the hood. I can see it going on. See? I just thought it'd be a whole lot more.
So it's like very thin?
Yeah. It got some crazy chemicals in it. Oh yeah, I could already feel the difference.
This smells so bad.
Mm-hmm. Very bad. But it shines very nice. Alrighty guys, here are the results. I am super impressed with that ceramic coating. Guys, this thing is super shiny. Guys, let me tell you, it is super easy to apply and super easy to remove. But look at that shine. Guys, look at this, man. Very nice. I will be doing the rest of my vehicles, and obviously we have to let it cure for about 24 hours. So we're gonna see the hydrophobic effects on this thing, and from there, man, we are definitely gonna do the rest of the vehicles. But guys, super shiny, and like I said, it's super easy to apply, super easy to remove. It does stink. I had to open the garage at one point because it was very stinky, but I'm happy with the results. Now we just have to wait and see after it cures how good it actually is and how easy it is to clean, because that's the main point that I wanted to apply this to the car, so we can see how easily you can get it clean. But guys, there it is. That was that H20. Let me show you guys one more time. It is this right here. Oh, 20H, my bad. 20H graphene ceramic coating. Guys, I'm impressed. Very impressed. So guys, if you like what you see and you stuck around this far, hit that subscribe, hit that like, hit that share, because I will be having more videos on this, on applying this ceramic coating. I am no professional, by the way, but you don't have to be a professional to do this actual ceramic coating. It was super easy. Guys, that's all I have for today. Have a blessed one. Peace.